This question gets to the heart of the difference between an employee and a self-employed person. And this has a number of quite important implications, both for legal and tax purposes. And so what the courts do is they use a multiple test. And there's a handy mnemonic that you can remind yourself about these multiple tests, and that's MICE. M-I-C-E. So is there mutuality of intention? In other words, the intention of the employer to provide the work and the employee to do the work. To what extent is the individual's work integrated into the company as a whole? To what extent can the employer control how the worker performs their duties? And what is the economic reality? So does the individual doing the work have a number of different people they work for? Can they delegate the work to other people? So on that basis, we know that the control test, the integration test, and the economic reality test, those are all parts of the multiple test for establishing an employment relationship. The only one that isn't, and therefore the one that we need to select, is the subordinate test. The subordinate test looking at the extent to which the individual has to subordinate themselves to the person giving the instructions. And the courts would say, well, whether you are self-employed or employed, that subordination is likely to exist in the relationship.